Hello guys, very good afternoon. Welcome back to yet another episode of Manju's Testimony. Today I'm going to talk about OET listening. This video will be in English. I already did this video in Malayalam. So if you guys want to watch this video in Malayalam, please go to my video list and I will also give you the link in the description box. So today I have to say one thing before starting the video, that this video is for beginners. So if you are in the mid of your learning process, try to skip this video right now. So this is for just for beginners, and I would like to say this video is specifically for people who are watching me from outside Kerala. And thank you so much guys for watching my videos and supporting me with your valuable comments. And I will be doing videos in all the videos in English as well. So please keep on watching and support me, and thank you so much. So let's get started. So regarding OET listening module, it is very important to improve your listening skill before practicing the module. You can do a lot of things to improve your listening skill. There are so many podcasts and videos available in YouTube that you can watch on a regular basis to improve your listening skill. Okay. I would recommend you to watch two channels from YouTube. One is TED Talk and the other one is GPs Behind Closed Doors. So this TED Talk means it's a platform where speakers around the world come with so many interesting subjects to talk about. There are so many brilliant speakers in TED Talk. So if you watch this video, you can not only improve your listening skill but also to improve your horizon of knowledge, because these people are so brilliant and they will let us know how to think in an application level. Okay, so I would strongly recommend you to watch at least one TED Talk video every day. It will definitely helps to improve your listening skill and your knowledge as well. So the next one is GPs Behind Closed Doors. This is a channel with a series of videos. These videos are situations happening in the healthcare settings. For example, it may be a conversation between a doctor and a patient, or a patient and a nurse, or it can be a nurse and a doctor. Okay. So when you watch this GPs Behind Closed Doors, you can understand the similarities between these videos and our listening module part A. These are really like the same. So I have a recommendation: when you practice this GPs Behind Closed Doors, try to write along with the conversation. I don't mean to write all the conversation all the way. I don't mean that. This is for improving your ability to write at the same time of listening. This is so important because in our listening test we have to write along with the audio is playing, right? So this really needs practice. We cannot easily do the things that are happening simultaneously. So we need to develop the skill to write while listening. It's really need practice. So these GPs Behind Closed Doors will definitely help to improve that skill. That's why I'm recommending you to write while you are listening this conversation. So these are the two channels I recommend you to watch from YouTube. One is TED Talk and the other one is GPs Behind Closed Doors. I have one more suggestion. If you feel that this TED Talk videos are boring, and if you feel that the subjects are not interesting, try to watch some film stars interviews. For example, in Bollywood we have Aishwarya Rai, Priyanka Chopra, then Katrina Kaif. All these actresses have good language with nice accent. So when you watch their interviews, try to catch some vocabs and accent from their talking and try to incorporate in your day-to-day conversation. So it will definitely helps to enhance your speaking skill as well. So what we have discussed today is how to improve your listening skill, and I have suggested a few videos that you can catch from YouTube to improve your listening skill. Hope you guys got some idea, and I strongly recommend you to practice listening every day. Then you can crack OET listening so easily. So thank you so much for watching me. Bye.